Here is how to change your Discord password if you have forgotten it. So open up Discord app and then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. So basically proceed to your profile. Next step, tap on on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen and scroll all the way down. In the very bottom you will see logout. So basically you should log out from your current account and then tap on login over here. So next step, enter your current account Gmail or another email that you used to using Discord. Then tap on forgot your password over here. We send instructions to change your password to your email and tap OK. And here is email. So then you should go to your mail account and tap over here change password. Then you should just enter a new password for your Discord account.